In this video, I'm going to continue our discussion of mean and variance of discrete random variable. If we're going to recall, the last video, in the last video, we already discussed how to compute for the mean of a discrete random variable. So, for this video, we are going to discuss the variance or how to compute for the variance of a discrete random variable. As you can see, we need to have or we need to determine the difference of the value of the random variable and the mean. So in this first or in this column, we are going to determine the difference of the score and the mean. For the first row, we have 0 minus 3.41, and that will give us negative 3.41. For the second, 1 minus 3.41, that will give us negative 2.41. Third, 2 minus 3.41, that will give us negative 1.41. Fourth, 3 minus 3.41, that will give us 0.4 or negative 0.41. 4 minus 3.41, it will give us 0.59. 5 minus 3.41, that will give us 1.59. After doing that, as we can see on our formula, we need to obtain the square of these differences. Hence, we are going to multiply these values by itself. Doing so, for 3.41 multiplied by itself, we have 11.6281. If we multiply negative 2.41 by itself, we have 5.8081. Multiplying negative 1.41 by itself, we have 1.9881. Multiplying negative 0.41 by itself, we have 0.1681. Multiplying 0.59 by itself, we have 0.3481. And last, multiplying 1.59 by itself, we have 2.5281. After doing so, the last column tells us that the square of the differences must be multiplied by its corresponding probability. So multiplying this square of the difference to its corresponding probability will give us, on the first one, 0.3488. For the second one, 0.2904. For the third one, 0.2386. For the fourth one, 0.0504. The product of 0.30 and 0.1681. For the fifth one, 0.3481 multiplied by 0.28, 0.0975, and last one we have 2.5281 multiplied by 0.22, we have 0.5562. And after we multiply all these squared to its corresponding probability, we are going to add all these product and we will obtain the variance of the random variable. It is 1.5819 if I'm not mistaken, but I just rounded it off to its nearest hundreds. So again, that is all for this video.